Hello friends, my name is Jatin. Today I am going to draw a story of hare and a tortoise. Here this is my paper. I am going to bifurcate this paper into 3 steps. Here one part of the story, here two part of the story, and here three part of story. Once a while, tortoise and a hare, they challenge themselves for a competition, running competition. I'm going to show it here. Here one hare one hare and one tortoise. They decide themselves for the running competition. This is a starting point. There we are going to run it. Now they started running. I'm going to show in a second step, and as usual hare is going fast and tortoise is going very slow. So here I am going to show my hare is little bit fast. Again, this is a running path. Tortoise is coming very slowly. Now, as usual, tortoise has been taking a rest on a field, so he has been losing again. So I'm going to show few stones and taking a rest. And finally, tortoise is going to win because of his hard work. He came on a finishing line. And he won with a match. Now this is my drawing, what I finished it. This is my storyboard art. Now I'm going to start few coloring inside. I'm going to show my sky here. I'm using my pencil color. Now here I'm going to show some mud. Again, this path I'm going to color it with a brown color. Same over here. Now again a light brown color over there to show the mud. At the downside, do not go in here, as well as a tortoise. I'm going to show this as my finishing line. Some stones I'm going to show it dark. Going to show a tortoise with a yellow color. This whole storyboard art I am doing with a front view. It will be easy for a kids to understand as well as to draw. Now in the hair I am going to make it orange. This all drawings are in a front view motions. Finally, my story is going to finish with my single dimension work, and it is in a front view, so you can make it very easily. So this is a 3 parts. If you want to make it more highlighted, more dark, you can make it more heavily dark. And this is a 3 part. What I bifurcated this page into 3 parts, 1, 2 and 3. Thank you friends.